Greetings from Planet Mental Mambo. So on my mind heart at the moment is the concept of the long-term wars we keep going in our hearts. Recently I attended a 30-year high school reunion, and it was amazing, of course, to catch up with all the characters and how they have transformed and grown bodily and in professional and personal character stature. So what also struck me was how shallow, how close to the surface the wars with teachers, ill treatment by teachers, ill treatment by other students, other pupils at the school, how shallow, how close to the surface these pains still lay after 30 plus years. And that reminded me of the importance of cleaning house in terms of the long-term wars we keep going in our hearts. And of course, there are people against which we are warring on the inside that have passed away already, and then there are people who are still walking this planet. So this is game on. This is challenge on. I challenge each and every single one of us in terms of the dearly departed or not so dearly departed, who are still battling with us, and we're still battling with them in our hearts. And those who still walk the planet, is there a way creatively to write a letter, make a paper plane and burn that flying paper plane for somebody that's dearly or not so dearly departed? Somebody who's still walking the planet, is there something you can appreciate? When you do a character map of them, can you appreciate something about them, or gain or gather some empathy towards something in their life? And then here's the real challenge. Can you reach out to them with a message of appreciation and reconnection, and the possibility that maybe after all these years things have transpired on either side of the ancient war that could bring you to brand new ground? So this is a big challenge to you, and may you be the dance you wish to see in the world today.